This is Dr. Ian Brewer of Anointed Vessel Chiropractic in Clark, New Jersey, with the Chiropractic Tip of the Week. Are your children struggling to focus at school or at home? It might not just be attention, it could be the spine. Your child's brain and body communicates through the nervous system, and that runs straight through the spine, from the brain all the way down to the low back. And if it's misaligned, it can stress the nervous system and impact how well your child focuses, learns, and even behaves. Gentle chiropractic adjustments help restore balance, improve the body communication, and calm the nervous system. Parents report better behavior, fewer meltdowns, and more peace at school and at home. Help your child thrive. Chiropractic supports the whole child from the inside out. This is Dr. Ian Brewer of Anointed Vessel Chiropractic in Clark, New Jersey, with the Chiropractic Tip of the Week. We'll see you next week.